In the annals of history, Algeria stands as a land where tales of valor and perseverance intertwine with tragedy and triumph. As the sun casts its golden hue over the Sahara's endless sands, it reflects a nation shaped by moments mightier than the storms that have battered its terrain for centuries. The story begins with the Berbers, indigenous to the land, whose spirit whispers through the rock formations and ancient settlements. These ancestors, masters of commerce, trading across the blue expanse of the Mediterranean, lay the first stone upon which Algerian identity was crafted. With time, the Roman Empire stretched its tendrils towards North Africa, enveloping Algeria in a cloak of culture and infrastructure, yet sowing seeds of rebellion amongst fierce Berber warriors. A historical tapestry of resistance was woven, threading through successive centuries. Yet, it was the Arab conquests in the 7th century that heralded a new era, infusing the land with the vigor of Islam and Arab culture. Not least among them was the illustrious Emir Abdelkader in the 19th century, a noble figure whose sword and spirit embodied the struggle against colonial encroachment. Under the shadow of the colonial reign, the transfixed gaze of the nation lingered upon the looming figure of French domination, which began in 1830 and spanned over a century. The land endured the heavy hand of foreign rule, and the harsh winds of change came slowly. A beacon emerged in the form of Ahmed Ben Bella and the revolutionary fervor of the National Liberation Front, FLN. The maelstrom of conflict erupted in 1954, igniting a brutal struggle that persisted until Algeria's independence in 1962. Yet, even in freedom, the scars of war ran deep, leaving a legacy of enduring resilience. In later years, as the dust of conflict settled, Algeria faced civil strife amidst aspirations of democracy. But the resilience of its people, eternally guided by the spirit of the nation's fortitude, continued to forge onward against challenges both political and societal. Algeria's history is the story of hearts stirring under harsh suns, of courage unfurling in desert winds, and of a people eternally striving towards peace and prosperity.